All right, today we are going to merge the law of sines and the law of cosines together to talk about solving non-right triangles and when to use each. So let's start off when I use the law of sines or law of cosines. One important thing to notice is that I don't have sides or angles labeled, so it just makes them up. A, B, C. All right, well, if I tried to set up law of sines, I'd take the sine of 56 degrees over A equals the sine of angle B over 18 equals the sine of 37 degrees over C. Now I don't have an anchor, which is a red flag for the law of sines. But also notice that I could easily find angle B by subtracting from 180, so I would have an anchor, which means this is a law of sines problem. Notice that if I tried to set up the law of cosines only uses one angle, and it uses two sides. Doesn't really work out. So, next one up here, I like to label A, B, and C. Let's say I try to set up law of sines. I have the sine of 67 degrees over A equals the sine of B over 24, sine of C over 13. Well, I don't have an anchor right away. I can't easily get one of my other pieces of information. So hopefully this is a law of cosines problem. In law of cosines, we want to find that missing side first. So I'd take A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2 times B times C times the cosine of angle A. Look at that. That's all the information I would need. This is indeed a law of cosines problem. But how could I know this information without trying to set up the different ones? You have to be given 3 pieces of information, and at least one of those has to be a side. If you're given side, 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 or side, angle, side, you use law of cosines. Law of sines is everything else. So, in this problem, I'm given angle, angle, side. Well, it's not side, side, side. It's not side, angle, side. At least one of my pieces is a side. That must be law of sines. LOS, law of sines. All right, next one. I'm given the 3 sides. Side, side, side. Hey, that's one of my law of cosines rules. LOC for law of cosines. All right, angle, angle, angle. Well, it's not side, side, side. It's not side, angle, side. So it's not law of cosines. But I'm not given any sides, which is actually a trick question. It's none. I can't actually do anything with this triangle. All right. Angle, side, side, or side, side, angle. It's not side, side, side. It's not side, angle, side, because the angle would have to be in between the 2 sides for that. So it's not law of cosines, which means it's law of sines. So you will practice some of this.